This is TechCrunch. A social networking app called Series announced that it raised a $5.1 million pre-seed round recently. The company was founded early last year by Yale students Nathaniel Johnson and Sean Hargrove, both still seniors at Yale. Johnson, the CEO, told TechCrunch that Series considers itself to be a next-gen social networking platform rather than an AI app, and hails itself as one of the first to work entirely through iMessage. Users text a phone number for Series AI on iMessage, explaining who they are and who they are looking to connect with. From there, Series AI messages the user back, offering what is called shares, or a carousel of 10 images that one can easily swipe through of posts from other people also using Series AI, looking to connect for a similar reason. Each carousel card includes a person's photo and their ask, and users can press and hold the carousel photo to start a private conversation with another user in the Series AI chat without sharing their personal number. Johnson, who is studying computer science and economics, is a founder during a unique time in tech history marked by rapid AI advancements and more investor money than ever before. He's part of the next generation of young founders whose businesses and mindsets are AI first from inception, something investors say gives young founders a head start over incumbents and older founders who are trying to pivot and catch up. He sees the industry undergoing a massive technology shift from user interfaces to conversation interfaces, like from Google Search to ChatGPT, where you're used to scrolling through libraries and clicking on websites versus conversing with AI or something else to quickly identify what you're looking for. Johnson and Hargrove met while working on a podcast in their freshman year at the Yale Entrepreneurial Society. Johnson said they used to interview founders and CEOs to gain insights into building a successful business, and through those conversations, realized the power of warm connections. Johnson said, "We then proceeded our freshman summer to start a business independent from the club and incorporate a company around that same thesis, using AI as a warm connection facilitator." He and Hargrove, who studied neuroscience at Yale, went through multiple iterations of what is now Series. When they landed on a concept they liked, about a year after their first prototype, they began fundraising for it in March of last year, building a team of 8 in the process. Johnson and his team decided to make a now viral LinkedIn video about the launch of Series. Johnson said, "We came up with the trailer idea at 1 a.m. the night before, stayed up all night to shoot the video, and posted it at 3 p.m. that same day. 2 days later, they met their first investor." The platform recently opened up beyond its college student base, but still aims to target Gen Z and professionals. Most people use it for business reasons, Johnson said, though they have seen others use it for dating or to find friends. Now, others in this space include Bordy AI, which also uses artificial intelligence to foster network introductions. Series fresh capital will be used to hire more engineers and expand product capabilities. After graduation, the company will stay on the East Coast, and the duo already works out of an office in Chelsea, New York. Now, notably, Johnson and Hargrove have not dropped out of college. Johnson said a good day is one where everything runs smoothly, but a bad one can be one where he has a bunch of exams and essays to write while also balancing running a team. He did not drop out, he said, because he felt he had time to both study and run a company. Seems he was right. Sierra, the customer service agent startup founded by Bret Taylor, announced last week that it has acquired the YC-backed French startup Fragment, which helps businesses integrate AI into workflows. This is Sierra's third public acquisition. It previously bought Japan-based enterprise AI solutions company OperaTech, which it acquired in late March, and voice agent company Receptive AI, which it also announced it acquired in late March. Terms of the deal were not announced. PitchBook estimates that Fragment raised around $2 million through its seed round. Taylor, who also serves as OpenAI's chairman of the board, co-founded Sierra alongside Google alum Clay Bavor after stepping down as co-CEO of Salesforce in early 2023. The startup claims Casper, Clear, and Brex as customers and has raised more than $630 million in funding to date from investors including Sequoia and Benchmark, giving it a $10 billion valuation. That's all for now. For more stories like these, go to TechCrunch.com.